Ever find yourself jumping into a trade only to realise you had no real strategy in place? Or maybe you experienced those gut-wrenching moments where emotions took over and you ended up losing more than you bargained for? If so, you're not alone. Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode by Cruise FX. Today we're going to be diving into a crucial aspect of trading, and that is having a trading plan. Whether you're a seasoned trader or you're just starting out trading, having a trading plan is one of the most crucial aspects, and it can make the difference between a successful trader and an unprofitable trader. In this video, we're going to explore why a trading plan is essential, the key components to include, and how it can help you stay disciplined and focused for your future trading. So let's get started and set the foundation for your future trading journey. So I'm going to go over the top 5 key components that you need to include in your trading plan. Coming in at number 1 is goals and objectives. What I mean by this is to find what you want to achieve with your trading. What is your overall goal? What's your overall aspects that you want to have in your trading journey? What profit targets are you looking at in the future? What risk tolerance are you prepared to use in your trading? And then what time commitments have you got in your trading journey? You have to have these clear goals to help guide your decisions. If you have got time commitments and you're restricted to certain periods of the day, you need to see what time session you can use. Can you only trade the London session? Are you only able to trade the New York session, or are you only restricted to the Asian session? Find out what time commitments you have and plan accordingly to what session you can trade. Coming in at number 2 is market analysis. In this section, you're going to outline how you're going to analyze the markets. What technique are you going to use? What's your strategy going to be? Are you going to be using technical analysis? Are you going to be using fundamental analysis? Are you going to try and implement both of them into a trading plan? And how are you going to stay informed about the market trends? Personally, for me, I trade technical analysis. Now, that's worked out really well for me. But at the same time, I do have in mind the fundamentals. I'll go on to Forex Factory every single day. I'll check what news there is. I'll make sure I keep up with world news events. Events such as COVID or wars going on around the world, like Russia and Ukraine at the moment. A lot of people, especially with gold that I love to trade, a lot of people will put a lot of money into gold because it's a safe haven currency, gold USD, and therefore that produces a lot of volume in gold. Stuff like the US elections obviously going to affect USD quite a lot, so lots of things like that I'm always going to be keeping track of, but mainly I focus on technical analysis. Coming in at number 3, entry and exit strategies. So what you need to do in this section of your trading plan is describe your criteria for entering and exiting trades. So this should include specific indicators or patterns or signals that trigger your trades, as well as your exit strategy for taking profits or cutting losses. So where you put in your take profits on the charts, once you enter that trade, after you know how to enter that trade, where are you going to exit that trade? Where's your take profit? And then on the flip side, if the trade doesn't go out, because you're not going to win every single trade, it's impossible. So where are you going to put your stop loss? Where is it going to go? Personally, for me, I look at zones after the technical analysis, and I'll be looking for further supports and resistance zones for my take profits. And for my risk management, my stop loss, I'll be looking at putting my stops below the previous candle wick low or high. At the same time, it depends on the setup. Sometimes it might be under the current candle low. Coming in at number 4 is risk management. Now, of course, we've already spoke about exit strategies. You need to put that in your trading plan. But here you really need to emphasize the importance of managing risk. You need to start thinking about your position sizing, your stop loss orders, how much of your capital you're willing to risk per trade. So for me, I really don't want to risk more than 1% or 2% per trade. Anything over that, I feel like you're over risking and you may be over leveraging. Also, once you're in the trade, if you're going into drawdown, if you've gone into profit loads and then it comes back at to break even, are you managing your risk? Are you deciding to take some of the risk off the table? That is something that is key that you need to include in your trading plan. Coming in at last, number 5 is reviews and adaptation. You have to have regular reviews of your trading performance, and what I mean by this is you have to have a journal. What you need to do, you need to discuss with yourself how you assess what's working, what isn't working, and how you're going to adapt your plan based on your experiences and market changes. Journaling every single trade, make sure you print screen every single trade that you take. You can see which ones went well, and if that setup has a high probability of playing out, use it again and again and again, it works. And then on the flip side, if you have a setup that hasn't been working out well, make sure you journal it and make sure to avoid it in the future. Having this journal and being able to review every single trade, you're going to save yourself a lot of time, and you're going to save yourself making the same mistakes over and over again. At the same time, you're going to be putting yourself in a position where you're going to be taking the same good trades over and over again. There we have it. They're my 5 key components of a trading plan. Make sure you get them down. Make sure you get them written down. Print it out, laminate it, do whatever you need to do. You have to have a trading plan. It's one of the most important aspects of trading. And as ever, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button for more content, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't be like him. He didn't have a trading plan. He's stressed, angry, and confused. Don't be him.